Now, my dear friend, this is the first chapter of grammar. Now, grammar denotes how to listen correctly, how to speak correctly, how to read correctly, how to write correctly. The language has their four parts: listening, speaking, reading, writing. किस तरह से हमें ये ग्रामर हमारे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को इनहेंस करेगा, कैसे हमें फ्लुएंट स्पीकर बनाने में हेल्प करेगा, इसका सबसे बड़ा चैप्टर है ग्रामर. नाउ, हाउ मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ ग्रामर? ग्रामर हैज अ 5 पार्ट: ऑर्थोग्राफी, इटीमोलॉजी, सिंटैक्स, पंक्चुएशन, प्रोसोडी. ऑर्थोग्राफी को हिंदी में वर्ण विचार कहते हैं. इटीमोलॉजी को हिंदी में शब्द विचार कहते हैं. सिंटैक्स को हिंदी में वाक्य विचार कहते हैं. पंक्चुएशन को हिंदी में चिन्ह विचार कहते हैं और प्रोसोडी को हिंदी में छंद विचार कहते हैं. What is orthography? In this part we study about alphabets and letters. There are 26 alphabets in English. That is called orthography. ये जो 26 अल्फाबेट्स होता है इसको हम ऑर्थोग्राफी कहते हैं. माय डियर फ्रेंड, दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट लर्निंग टू बिकम अ नेटिव स्पीकर ऑफ इंग्लिश, बिकॉज यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड if you know A to Z and you don't know Z to A. Why? Because from the beginning you are not understanding how to become a good speaker of English. So as we speak A to Z, we can speak Z to A also. Now I can give you an example: Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. So if you can speak A to Z, you can speak Z to A. Now the second part, etymology. In this part we study about word and words. For example, I can tell you the combination of alphabets is the word. So whenever you speak, you are combining the one words to another words and that one words to another sentence, and that sentence create your situational communication. So orthography is the alphabets, etymology is the words. Now what is the syntax? Syntax is the sentences, vakya. The collections of different words together is called the sentences. For example, boys are playing in the ground. So boys are playing in the ground. The combination of these 4 to 5 words become one sentences. Now I can give you the very good example of punctuation. Without punctuation you can't go for the next vakya, next sentences. So punctuation is a sign of mark, like full stop, comma, apostrophe, dash, slash, etc. Now, as we have spoken, orthography, etymology, syntax, punctuation. Now, these all 4 combinations create a stanza, paragraph, sort of a story, books. These is all about the parts of grammar. So, we study in the prosody, stanza, paragraph, sort of story, books. So, with the help of alphabets, we write words. With the help of words, we create a sentences. Sentences can't be created without a sign of marks. Similarly, with the help of sign of mark, we create a stanza, paragraph, sort of story. So this is all about the grammar. Now, you should understand it. With the creation of these A, B, C, D, we have created alphabets, words, sentence, punctuation, sign of mark, stanza, paragraph. Similarly, with the communication skills, with the combination of your words, with the combination of your creation, you can create a good language and you can become a good speaker of English.